Let's first take a look at some real-world examples. By now, you may have heard of self-driving cars or autonomous vehicles, such as Tesla. Basically, cars that drive themselves. We have seen robots from movies to factory lines and even in our homes. Drones are nowadays used in agriculture to monitor plants, spray insecticides, and even planting trees. A lot of fitness tracking apps have also been discovered during this time of the pandemic. And have you ever wondered how police cars find you in games like GTA? Or how the computer races you in racing games? Businesses are also turning to AI-based solutions to make smarter, informed decisions, among many other applications of AI. All these are among the many applications of artificial intelligence. Hello everyone, my name is Lenny from Code with Lenny Len, and today we will be talking about artificial intelligence. So now that we have an idea of AI and its applications, how do we build AI? How can we build AI-based solutions? Let me explain. First things first, there are tons of definitions of AI. But as long as you understand what AI is, pick any definition that you like, or better yet, make your own. Let's now take a look at the specific elements that make AI. Remember, we are trying to mimic human behavior. Keep that in mind. Vision. We use our eyes to see, to look at the world and interpret all that's around us. For a machine or a computer program to see, we use cameras. And this field of AI dealing with giving vision to computers or machines is known as computer vision. Again, there are tons of definitions of computer vision, but as long as you understand what computer vision is, well, make your own definition or pick a definition that works for you. Next, language. Human beings are social beings, and we interact mainly by using language. From chatting to talking and discussing, language plays a big part of human interaction. Say for example, I ask you whether or not you would like an apple. You've heard me and your brain processes that information. If you would like an apple, you respond with yes, and if not, you reply no, right? To implement language in computers so that we can continue enhancing our interaction with machines, we have to look at natural language processing. This is a field that includes analyzing text and sentences to understand the intention of the message. So now our computer can see using a camera in the field of computer vision, and it can understand what we ask of it by using natural language processing. But how can it hear us? As human beings, we use our ears to hear and listen to the sounds and voices around us. Our brain then interprets those sounds as music, conversations, noise, etc. Computers have microphones to receive sound input, but for a computer to interpret that sound to meaningful things, we have to write specialized software for that purpose. Enter speech recognition. Speech recognition is the ability of a machine to identify the words and phrases in spoken language and convert them to machine-readable format. So you might have used products like Alexa or Siri or even Google Assistant. These products can talk back to you. For example, by asking for weather updates, these smart devices can reply to us in real time, making our experiences with technology amazing every single day. We as humans have our mouths and vocal cords that enable us to speak. Computers, on the other hand, have speakers for sound output. All that we have to do is build the vocal cords for the computer. This is where an interesting field of speech synthesis comes in. Simply put, it's generating voice or speech. We have looked at the various components that build AI, and these components are pretty fascinating, and soon we will start studying these components one step at a time. So as we finish, you might wonder, how exactly do we build these things? We know what computer vision is, and we know what natural language processing is. We know all about speech recognition, speech synthesis, etc. How exactly do we build that computer vision that we keep talking about? What do these machines think? How can they make decisions? How can we build intelligent machines and software? That is all about machine learning, and we will talk about machine learning in the next video so that we can continue to build up our understanding of this amazing technology. Thanks for watching.